Welcome! This video will cover two ways to push code in GitKraken Client. For this first method, check out a local branch by either double-clicking the branch in the commit graph or double-click a branch from the left panel. This example branch is ahead of its remote by a few changes. To push changes to your remote, click on the Push button in the toolbar. When the push goes through, the branch pointer will update and show that both your remote and local branches point to the same commit. For the second method, let's stage files and prepare to commit some changes. Once you write out a commit message, instead of hitting the commit button, click on this arrow button to commit and push. This is great for when you're confident about your changes or just love the extra convenience. Bonus round, if you're pushing a local branch for the first time, the app will ask you to confirm the target remote and branch name. You can select different remote destinations from this dropdown or change the name of the branch too. If this looks right, click to confirm and the push will go through. Lastly, GitKraken Client does a fantastic job of warning you whenever an attempted push will overwrite changes on your remote. If this is not what you want, you can abort the push here. However, if you do indeed intend to overwrite your remote, select the Force Push option to proceed.